If your pasta looks like plain old noodles, you're in for a treat. Let's jazz it up with some spicy vegan arrabbiata sauce. Start by boiling your favorite pasta until it's al dente. That's Italian for perfectly chewy. Penne or rigatoni works best. Now, let's make the magic happen. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Toss in 4 minced garlic cloves and 1 finely chopped onion. Saute until your kitchen smells heavenly. About 2-3 minutes. Feeling daring? Add 1-2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. Adjust according to your spice tolerance. Stir for another minute to release those flavors. Next, pour in 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Lower the heat and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Time for the grand finale. Toss your cooked pasta into the sauce and mix until every piece is coated in spicy goodness. Add torn fresh basil leaves for that extra kick. Serve hot, and if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle on some vegan parmesan. There you have it, a plate of spicy, flavorful, 100% vegan arrabbiata pasta. Enjoy, and remember, share it if you dare.